Question number 1. Do you think owning a printing machine in a clinic is a good idea? If I happen to own a printing machine, what would be the best way to utilize it?
Having a printing machine in clinic can be a great asset, especially if you focus on its optimal use. It's advisable to dedicate one type of material to each printer to maintain consistency and quality. Starting with a budget-friendly printer that is well-suited to your specific needs can be a cost-effective strategy. In a clinical setting, such a printer is extremely useful for producing items like dental guide stands, laminate cervical image, temporary crowns, splints, and even temporary dentures. These applications not only enhance clinical efficiency, but also improve patient care by providing swift and customized solutions.
Okay, so question number 2. Is there any precautions when restoring 3D printing liquid?
When restoring 3D printing liquids, especially those intended for dental prosthesis, it's important to handle them with care due to their different properties compared to traditional materials. While 3D printed items may not match the strength and adhesive qualities of conventional dental materials, proper technique can significantly enhance their quality. It is recommended to print with high precision, ideally at a fine resolution of around 20 micrometers. Additionally, adequate post-curing is crucial to enhance the stability and durability of the printed object. This careful approach in handle and processing of 3D printing liquids is key to achieving satisfactory results in dental restorations.
Okay, question number 3. There might be many factors that can cause a misfit of a prosthesis, but which factor do you think is the most crucial that ruins the fitness of the prosthesis?
One of the most significant factors leading to a misfit of prosthesis is a viscosity of the printing material. Higher viscosity can restrict the flow and spread of the material, leading to inaccuracies in a final product. Therefore, it is imperative to carefully consider the viscosity of the material when selecting it, as this is essential for improving the quality and fit of the prosthesis. Additionally, other important aspects to consider include the scale of the print and the angle at which the prosthesis is printed. These elements play a critical role in ensuring the precision and proper fitting of the final prosthesis pieces.
Okay, question number 4. Is there any clinical tip or recommendation when polishing a printed crown?
To ensure that a 3D printed crown is of sufficient quality to be used as a final prosthesis, it is crucial to print it a high resolution, ideally around 20 micrometers. This high resolution helps in achieving a smoother surface, which is closer to desired final quality. For the polishing process, instead of using traditional polishing balls, it is recommended to apply a glazing. This coating can enhance the crown's smoothness and finish, offering a more refined and aesthetic pleasing result.
Okay, question number 5 is the last one. So, have you ever found the fitness difference between milled and printed crown? Do you think we can restore printed crown as a final one?
There is actually no significant difference in fit between milled and printed crowns. following the manufacturer's recommendations for printing might not yield a product suitable for use as your final prosthesis. However, with the adjustment and fine-tuning outlined in this lecture, you can achieve significantly improved fit with printed crowns. As for using them as final prosthesis, the precision and fit of the output are generally not the issues. My hesitation in using printed crowns as final restorations primarily stem from concern about their strength and adhesion properties, which I believe still require further evaluation and improvement.
Okay, that was the last question. So that's all about it for today. You'll be able to watch this webinar on our YouTube channel and Medit Academy once it's completed. Thank you for being here, Dr. Kim.
Thanks everyone for joining us today. Hope to see you at our next webinar. Bye.
Bye.